Managing Murrindindi Shire road network is no small task. With over 1,200 kilometres of roads to maintain, we face a range of challenges every day. From unpredictable weather, increasing traffic movements, rising material costs and limited funding, let's take a closer look at what it takes to keep our roads safe and functional. One of the biggest challenges we face is the weather. Storms, floods and extreme weather events can cause significant damage to our roads, leaving debris and creating hazards. For example, after significant storm events, we usually have to deploy rapid response crews to clear fallen trees and repair damaged roads. Major repairs following declared natural disasters require funding support from state and federal governments, which can extend repair timelines. Did you know that if the weather is cold or wet, council can only perform temporary pothole repairs? Moisture prevents repairs from bonding properly and frost will damage repairs. This is why our annual maintenance programs usually happen during the drier months over summer and autumn.
In the past, I may have been guilty of wondering why they had just thrown some gravel in a hole and not fixed a hole. You can't fix the pothole in the wet weather, and while it's wet, you do need it to dry out to fix it. But still, you do need to then try and do some sort of prevention for that problem to get worse, which is then gravel, which is dissipating the water to stop hydraulic damage of the cars driving over it.
Another challenge is the sheer volume of requests we receive from the community. On average, council receives more than 100 customer requests regarding our roads each month. From potholes to dust on unsealed roads, we know these issues impact your daily lives. That's why we complete proactive maintenance programs and prioritise roads with high traffic, like routes connecting townships. Funding is another major challenge. While we receive some funding support from federal and state governments, it's not always enough to meet the growing demands of maintaining and upgrading our road network. Tight budgets mean we have to make tough decisions on where to allocate resources. Despite these challenges, we're committed to keeping our roads safe and accessible. By working with the community, advocating for more funding and finding smarter ways to manage our network, we're tackling these issues head on.
I thought it was really great that the council reached out to community to be part of the road advisory group, because it gave community the opportunity from all across the Shire the opportunity to really relay real issues that are happening in our community and actually also become part of the solutions rather than just talking about problems, because it's easy to talk about problems, but it's actually being able to be part of a solution and understanding why these things are happening and how to fix them or how to advocate to government to fix them.
We encourage all road users in Murrindindi Shire to drive to the conditions and report any concerns to Council or Transport Victoria. Together we can keep Murrindindi Shire moving.